Two applications that are very important to improve your cooperation and work with our device. So basically, this is a drawing app. What we can do, we can use it to enhance our imagination. So we can import some photos. Maybe let's start with the heart. Yeah, we can make it smaller, we can make it bigger, we can move it wherever we want. And we can create quick poster how much we love our tablets. And then, what's important, we can share all the notes and all the files through the cloud using this QR code. This makes it easy to share your notes from the meeting without any hassle. Of course, besides that, you can always save the file and send it via email. We support 40 touch points on this machine to be extremely accurate, so your handwriting feels as natural as it was the paper. We also support multiple fingers, and as you can see, it detects basically if we use thin or a thick part of the pen, so you can write in double colors simultaneously. You can split your screen into 4 parts, or 2 or 3, to enhance cooperation. They don't interact with each other, so for example at school, children can have their own space to work. You can insert patterns, you can change the background. So let's say you're discussing football match. Just like in TV, this player passed ball here, this one came here and shoot the goal.